Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Facebook for marketing strategies, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with Facebook for effective marketing strategies, start by creating a Facebook business page. Log into your personal Facebook account to begin the process. Navigate to the Create button found at the top right corner of your screen. Select Page from the drop-down menu. Choose between a business or brand or community or public figure based on your needs. Fill in the necessary information such as the page name and category. Add a profile picture and cover photo that represents your brand. Once your page is set up, explore the Settings tab for further customization. Set up messaging options to communicate with potential customers efficiently. Integrate Facebook Pixel into your website to track visitor activity. This will help you measure ad effectiveness and optimize future ads. Next, create compelling content that resonates with your target audience. Utilize images, videos, and engaging copy to attract attention. Post consistently, establishing a content calendar to maintain regularity. Engage with your audience through comments and messages to build relationships. Use Facebook Insights to analyze your page's performance and audience engagement. Identify which posts perform best and adjust your strategy accordingly. Consider running Facebook ads to amplify your reach. Choose your target audience carefully based on demographics and interests. Set a budget that aligns with your marketing goals. Monitor ad performance and make necessary adjustments to improve effectiveness. Join relevant Facebook groups to connect with like-minded marketers and potential customers. Share valuable content within these groups to position yourself as an authority in your niche. Utilize Facebook Live to engage with your audience in real time. This creates a personal connection and boosts engagement rates. Consider collaborating with influencers to expand your reach further. Ensure their audience aligns with your target demographic for maximum impact. Leverage user-generated content to build community and trust. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.